Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. This is the revision series for JEE Mains and today's topic is inverse trigonometry. So let's start with the first question. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equals to pi, then you are supposed to find out the value of this expression 1 upon xy plus 1 upon yz plus 1 upon zx. Now to solve this, first of all, consider which we are given, that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equals to pi. Now there is a formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and that is equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay. And tan inverse z is as it is. Now consider this as x and this as y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, again write down the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, this is the formula, is equals to pi. Now we can take this tan inverse to the right hand side, and in the left hand side we are left with 1 minus xy is the LCM, then x plus y plus z into 1 minus xy whole upon 1 minus xy minus z into x plus y whole upon 1 minus xy, and tan inverse will be shifted to the right hand side and it will become tan pi. Okay, now this will cancel out and tan pi is 0. So x plus y plus z minus xyz upon 1 minus xy minus zx minus yz is equals to 0. Okay, and a fraction is equals to 0 if and only if its numerator is equals to 0, and this will give you x plus y plus z is equals to xyz. And now if we divide both sides by xyz, we will get x upon xyz will give you 1 upon yz, y upon xyz will give you 1 upon xz, z upon xyz will give you 1 upon xy, and xyz upon xyz will give you 1. So the value of the required function is equals to 1. So your option 2 is correct. Now your next question is, if tan of sine inverse square root 1 minus x square is equals to sine of tan inverse 2, then the value of x is. So consider the given identity, that is tan inverse or tan of sine inverse square root 1 minus x square is equals to sine of tan inverse 2. Okay, now let us take this as alpha and this as beta. So it will give you that tan alpha is equals to sine beta. Okay, now find out, let alpha is equals to sine inverse of 1 minus x square. Then साइन इनवर्स को अगर आप लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट करते हैं, देन साइन अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, और नाउ अल्फा इज एन एक्यूट एंगल. सो by completing a right angle triangle, let this angle is alpha, then sine alpha is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, So by using Pythagoras theorem, your base will be the ABC, then BC will be square root of 1 का square minus square root 1 minus x square का square, and this will be x only. So BC is x. So tan alpha will be equals to perpendicular upon base square root 1 minus x square upon x. Okay. Now let beta is equals to tan inverse 2. Okay. So by shifting tan inverse to the left, tan beta is equals to 2. Now beta is an acute angle, so make a right angle triangle and let beta is an acute angle. So tan will be perpendicular upon base. So using Pythagoras theorem, here this hypotenuse will be square root of 2 का square plus 1 का square, that is root 5. Okay. So we are interested in sine beta. So sine beta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now this is 1 and this is 2. Now substituting the value of 1 and 2 in our identity, and our identity is tan alpha is equals to sine beta. Now tan alpha is equals to sine beta will implies tan alpha is square root 1 minus x square upon x, and sine beta is, what is sine beta? 2 upon root 5. Now by cross multiplying, root 5 into square root 1 minus x square is equals to 2x. Now squaring both sides will give you 4x square, and 5 minus 5x square is equals to 4x square will give you 9x square is equals to 5. So x square is equals to 5 by 9, and your x will be either plus or minus root 5 by 3. So root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 both are the correct answers. So your 1 is correct, your 3 is correct, and in the fourth option you are given that both 1 and 3 are correct. So your fourth option is correct. Your next question is, if sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equals to 2 pi by 3, then we are supposed to find out the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Now consider the given expression, that is sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equals to 2 pi by 3. And there is a formula of inverse trigonometry that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 3, pi by 2. This is the formula. So using this formula, we can write sine inverse x as pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, and sine inverse y as pi by 2 minus cos inverse y. Okay. Now this will give you pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi minus cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equals to 2 pi by 3. So cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equals to pi minus 2 pi by 3, and that is pi by 3. So your option 2 is correct. Now your next question is, if sine inverse of x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 4 minus so on plus cos inverse of x square minus x4 by x is by 4 by 2 plus x is by 6 by 4 minus so on is equals to pi by 2. So we are given that Sine inverse of this expression plus cos inverse of this expression is equals to pi by 2. So first of all, let your this expression a is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 4 minus so on till infinity, and b is x square minus x cube by 2 x is to power 4 by 2 plus x is to power 6 by 4 minus so on till infinity. Now if you observe, then this will become a GP. This is a GP with first term x and common ratio x by 2 minus x by 2. Okay, and the sum of infinite terms of GP. Sum of infinite terms of GP is a upon 1 minus r, and that is x upon 1 minus x by 2, and that will give you 2x upon 2 plus x. Okay, so your a is this. Similarly, if you consider b, observe b is also a GP with first term x square and common ratio minus x square by 2. Okay, so the sum of infinite terms of GP is a upon 1 minus r, and that is x square upon 1 minus x square by 2. So this will give you 2x square upon 2 plus x square, and this is your b. Now we are given that sine inverse of a plus cos inverse of b is equals to pi by 2, and there is an identity. Then sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. So this will implies that a is equals to b. a is equals to b. आप इसको ऐसे भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. साइन इनवर्स ऑफ a इज इक्वल्स टू pi by 2 minus cos inverse of b, and pi by 2 minus cos inverse of b is sin inverse of b. So sin inverse of a is equals to sin inverse of b, implies a is equals to b. So here a is 2x upon 2 plus x, and b is 2x square upon 2 plus x square. So you have reached to this identity. Now which value of x satisfies this identity? We are going to check our options. When x is equals to minus 1, this will be, when x is equals to minus 1, here this will become minus 2 upon 2 minus 1 is 1, and here is 2 upon this is 3. So this is not equal. So when x is equals to half, minus half, when x is equals to minus half, this will become minus 1, and minus half, 2 minus half is 3 by 2. And in the right hand side, when x is equals to minus half, this will become 2 into 1 by 4 upon 2 plus 1 by 4. And if you check, this will also not equal. Similarly, when x is equals to plus half, it won't satisfy. When x is equals to plus half, you will get 2x will become 1, and 2 plus half is 3 by 2, and 2 into 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and this will become 2 plus 1 by 4. This will also not equal. And when x is equals to 1, this will be 2 upon 3, and the right hand side is again 2 by 3. So when x is equals to 1, your identity will satisfy. So your fourth option is correct. So students, if you liked my videos, प्लीज़ इसे लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें और साथ साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कर दें, जिससे मेरे हर अपकमिंग वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच पाए और आप उसका बेनिफिट ले पाएँ. So keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.